Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, we're going to do a short discussion on Docker container images, just so that we have an understanding as we move forward with the command line in the next video. So I'm going to start by bringing up Docker Hub. That's hub.docker.com. And hub.docker.com has a search engine where you can go ahead and look up any sort of container that you might want to use, anything from a HashiCorp container to an Ubuntu container to a Red Hat container, etc. So for this, we're going to type in Ubuntu, spell it right. And when I choose Ubuntu, the things to notice are, number one, that this is the official image for Ubuntu. We have a command here, docker pull Ubuntu, that we'll work on in the next video. And then down a little bit, you'll see the tags. Each image will have a tag. And we have an option to use the 18.04 image, which is just version 18.04, the long-term support, 2004, which is the newest, and then there are short-term supports of 2104, etc., and you can even go back to 1404. And if you go up a little bit more, you can go over to the tags, and in here you can just go through pages and pages of different types of containers that might fit your need. The one other type of container that I wanted to just bring up was not Ubuntu, but Alpine. Alpine also has an official image. And the unique element of this is it's a minimal Docker image that is only about 5 megs. If you come down a little bit, you'll see the tags, just like we had spoken about before, where you can use different types of versions of this depending on your needs. But in the how to use, they give an example of an Alpine image that has MySQL client configured on it versus a Ubuntu 2004 that also has the MySQL client on it. And the difference between the two is a 36.8 megabyte image versus a 145 megabyte image. So it's a lot less expensive to utilize the Alpine version when doing tasks such as this. So that's just an example. That's just a quick reference on Docker images. So again, you can come to Docker Hub, type in the search for whatever type of image that you might need as you get better and better with Docker. And this is a great repository to access official images and images that other people have built, etc. So in the next video, we're actually going to finally get to the command line. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.